go to this. Yeah, so you can scan and join. Very good. See, I don't want to have the kind of, just keep giving you the lecture without listening from you, without hearing from you. So, request you, join. Yeah, go ahead. Many of you have already joined. Others, please join by scanning this code. It is very simple. And I want to hear from you, but at the same time I cannot allow all of you to talk, so hence this we will be having some polling and all, using which we will allow you to give your opinion also. So I don't want to have a monotonous talk, rather I want you also to participate in the discussion. Very good. Fine. So we are having around 1000 participants. 400 has joined. Others, you can join fast. 4 questions I will ask you, and it will give me an idea what exactly is your thought process. All right, so another 10 seconds we will wait and then we'll start. Great. Done. So suppose if some of you are not able to, in that case, there would be pin 63867. So you can go to kahoot.it and you can join by giving the pin number also. So 600 3867, if you type the pin, you can be able to join. So I will not spend much time. Now let us start. Okay. So here comes your first question. As I told you, this was for a different thing. Yeah. So what is an internship? What do you feel? There are 4 answers. You can select any one. A permanent job position in a company, a temporary work experience program for gaining skills in a specific field, a volunteer program with no focus on skill development, a type of scholarship for academic excellence. What is your answer? Very good. So we got somewhere around 485 answers, and almost all of you, 440 of you are saying. So I wanted to listen. That's what I told you. Like, I want to hear from all of you and then come to a conclusion. So it is not that I am saying, it is you are saying that it is a temporary work experience program for gaining skills in a specific field, right? So you know that where you want to work and you want to gain some skills. That is the purpose of your internship. So you want to gain a skill, right? Okay. So all of we agree for that. I also, you can add, it is 440 plus 1, 441. I also agree for this. Next question. What is the main goal of an internship? as per you. So this could be different. Meet the people, learn the skills, earn money, travel. Different people can have different opinion. So what exactly you feel? Why you need to go for an internship? To interact with the people, to earn some money, because internship also pays some stipend. Okay, great. 509, 12, 512. Very good. Once again, I am finding learned skills, right? So, in both the questions, one thing you people are also very clear about, that the goal of the internship is that we should learn the skills. And I'm telling you, that was my opening remark. You need not go and ask for the job. You make yourself so capable that the job should be searching for you. The moment you have the skills with you, the moment you have the knowledge, 10 companies will come and try to give you the offer. If you don't have the skills, you will be going and asking for the job, you will be going and asking for the influence. So have the skills, have the knowledge with you, which can attract the companies to you. So don't go and beg the jobs from them, rather make them come behind you, that yeah, this particular person is very good, and if he is part of our company, means he is going to be an asset. So don't make yourself to sit on the bench and one fine day they can fire you. Rather, the day when you enter, you should go on the work floor and you should start working. You should be productive for the company, right? So that can only be achieved if you are having the required skills. All right. Next, what's your plan for internship? We have different options like applied and got internship in company. Already got, I am saying, not applied. If you have got, you can choose one. Applied for online internship courses, that is your option C. Not yet applied for internship. Maybe some of you are not in final semester, so it's not applicable to me. Give me your input so that I know what is the kind of audience I am addressing to. So I have your answer, but okay. So 108 applied and got internship in company, very good. Applied for online internship course. So let me take a screenshot of this. This is important for me. All right. So applied for internship, online internship courses, not yet applied, and okay. So 4% is saying that not in final semester. So it is kind of a mixed response what we are having. See, the thing is, in the online internship, if you are getting some exposure and if they are, some practicals and all is involved, nothing like it. Otherwise, we always suggest you that because today or tomorrow you have to go to the office, you have to work on the field, so better you can apply with us. I will give you the details about it. Next question, last one for this. Do you feel you already have the skills required to get your dream job? Already you know what you need, and you can apply and you will get the job, because already you have all the skills, already you have all the knowledge. Give me candid feedback. It is not going to give you any marks. If you give me the candid feedback, I can plan. Okay. Yes, absolutely. Very confident people, 53. Very good. Somewhat, yeah, like, yes, we have studied, but at the same time, need to rework on the whatever is the latest technologies and all. I feel that is what is the somewhat. Not sure. Maybe many of you would not have still decided that what career you want to make, and that's the reason it is not sure. And these are the very candid lot who say that no, not it, I don't have the skill, but at the same time I am ready to learn the things and all. So good. It is nice to get your information and very candid response from you. This is the last one, and after that we will go to the PPT back. Have you attended any online course or internship before? Okay, so many of you have done, and few of you are not, 129 not, 271, and others are confusing. Okay, so now let me stop it and come back to my PPT. I got your response. Thanks a lot for this participation. Your input really makes me, while on the go I can customize and I can talk what exactly is required for you. All right. So coming back to the PPT where we were on the what is internship. So we'll move forward. So as you have also told, short-term professional experience for student or recent graduates offers hands-on learning and practical skills in a specific field, includes the real-world task under mentor or guide, right? So you know the things, you know theoretical, you know how exactly it should happen, but at the same time you need some kind of a hands-on, you need some kind of a mentoring that yes, this is the way you should apply your knowledge. Provide opportunities to learn, network, and explore the career. Can be paid, unpaid. So this is what I have just given. What is internship to on the internet, and this information I got it from there. So I'm saying you this is what our chat GPT says that this is the internship. Now, what AICT says. So definitely all of we will agree that internship means I should go to the company, I should work on the floor along with the existing employees of the company. But unfortunately, companies are not coming forward. They are not entertaining the internship. Otherwise, I also suggest that should be the first option. So if you are getting in a good company, go and join the internship over there. That will give you a real work experience. But I also find that many of the candidates who does not get selected for that, very limited, I think hardly 10% of the students are getting the real internship. The rest find it kind of a problem statement that where I should go, which company will allow me to, and then they start asking their parents, they start asking their relatives, they start asking their known people that can you get me an internship, can I get it in this company, that company, and also as you guys have only told that one of the objective of internship is also getting the skill, getting the knowledge. So knowing that itself, what AICT has told, fine, if you are getting the internship, it is good. But if you don't get the internship in a company, in that case, what you should do a minimum of 14 to, sorry, you should do a program where the skill training is provided, and so a minimum of 14 to 20 credit as per AICT. What is the definition of internship? A minimum of 14 to 20 credits of internship, entrepreneurial activities, project work, seminar, and inter/intra institutional training. So here we fall under inter/intra institutional training may be counted towards BTech degree program and 10 to 14 credits for 3-year diploma program. So 14 to 20 credit worth of training program if you are doing, which may be 400 to 500 hours kind of program, and for that AICT recognizes it as a virtual internship, right? So these measures aim to ensure that all students, regardless of their ability to secure a traditional internship, can gain practical experience and skill that are essential for their professional development. This is not I am saying, but this is the extract from AICT guidelines, right? So it is not that. So now what we are proposing you, if you got the internship, well and good. If not, we are going to give you the internship where we will train you, and after that we will also help you in the placements. So what training we will give you? So we are not going to give you the training on the same old technologies and all. Rather, we are going to give you the training on the future skills. So it is AI data analyst, AI machine learning, ML, you can do application developer, web and mobile, cloud application developer, DevOps, cyber security. So on these topics, we are going to conduct the classes for you. Now, coming back, as you can see, like who all are participating. So this particular program, we named it as WIINNR. So what exactly is this WIINNR? WIINNR means it is the company. So it is not Rooman. It's not, maybe sometimes they say, okay, fine, Rooman is a training company. There are many of the training institute, you go, you do the training and then come and submit the certificate as an internship. So we are not talking about that. Here, it is an industry-led program. So we are having Wadhwani Foundation, which will give you a 75 hours of soft skill training. We are having IIT Guwahati, who will be giving 30 hours of advanced training. IBM is going to give you the project-based learning. So they will give you the project and also a certificate for the project what you have developed. So in one go, you would be able to do both. That is, you will be able to get the project as well as internship. So both the things are possible in one approach itself. And Rooman will be taking 165 hours of training. So 165, 90, so this is a 300, 360 hours of training, including the practicals and all. What you will get at the end of the training? At the end of the training, you will be getting a certificate from NCVET, National Council for Vocational and Education Training. What exactly is NCVET? It is the counterpart of AICTE. So AICTE is for the engineering program and AICTE is for the vocational or the skill program. And as per the new education policy, both are working together now. So you can get the academic credit even by doing the vocational training. So as you can see here, this particular person has completed cloud application developer program in duration 510 hours and have earned 17 credit as NCRF NSQF level. So this 17 credit is always valid for you if you want to utilize it either for internship, or tomorrow you can go and you can also use it for the lateral studies, like, so suppose if you want to do MS or MBA or MTech, in that case this credit can also be used for the lateral entry. Second certificate you will be getting from IBM, as IBM is guiding you for the project over here. So this kind of certificate you will get, like project on automatic number plate recognition with machine learning. So issued by IBM and Rooman Technology. So this is in place of going and doing the project in some small company. It is always better that you can do the project here, and this can have a good weightage on your resume as well, right? Then you will be getting the third certificate from IIT Guwahati, that is certificate of completion for suppose advanced certification in artificial intelligence and machine learning, organized by again EICT, that is Indian Institute of Technology Guwahati in association with Rooman Technologies. Third certificate. Fourth, from Wadhwani for the employability skills, because they are teaching you the soft skills, interviewing skills, communication skills and all. And then the fifth one from Rooman. So you will be able to get 5 different certificates by going through this particular program. What is the type of projects our students are doing? You see, this I am giving you, okay, I will give you the real-time analytics I will show, and then I will come back to the PPT again. So let me show you the real-time analytics, that what exactly is the status as of today. Where is my, okay, let me share the whole screen and go back to So here, if I go, so this is what is IBM's real-time screen I am showing you, where you can see, okay, 1 minute. So 10,721 student from your previous seventh semester. Out of that, 10,538 has joined, 9,306 already we have mapped them to the projects. In that, for AI data quality analyst, 1,358 has joined. AI ML 3491 students are doing the project with us for machine learning. 2,882 is doing for the DevOps. 1,534 for cloud application and 1,422 for full stack. Apart from this, for VLSI 2,500, which is not the part of this dashboard. Further, these are the projects like, improving data accuracy in CRM using AI. 333 people are doing. NLP based automated cleansing of for healthcare data. 172 are doing like. So same way for every technology we have given 10 project. Like in AI data quality analyst 10 project. Cloud application developer, the project like data backup and recovery with IBM Cloud Object Storage, auto scaling and load balancing of IBM Cloud. So this kind of projects what we are giving it to you, like DevOps engineering, establishing a CI/CD pipeline for automated development. So I'm just reading out one or two randomly. You can see on machine learning, many of the people are doing. Cognitive customer insights with Watson AI, leveraging AI for enhanced customer engagement. Real-time social media analytics pipeline, building a robust data processing. So this kind of projects are there, which your colleague, which your friends who is from seventh semester are already doing. So I already told you what exactly is the kind of projects you will be doing. Now coming back, we are having the trainers from the industry who all are the industry experts. They would be taking the training for you. So even if you go and you join maybe on any of the edtech platform who charges a lakh 1.5 lakhs as the course fee, you will be getting the same trainer who is teaching over here. So we are having better trainers, we are having better LMS. So I can also show you the LMS which we are using. So basically, when a student, we give this kind of, this LMS is given where online.rooman.com is our, okay. So our student use this online, this way it keep coming, dot Rooman. So here you can go, student, faculties, everyone can log in, and they can see their part. And also suppose if I click on internship, access resources. So as I told that, whatever the training happens, so you can have all the recording. So complete calendar will be there, that on which day what classes will be taken for you. Also, like we are having the ask me anything session, for that also there are different slots available, so you can have one-on-one communication with your faculties. So there are three different LMS which is integrated in this platform. We are having of Rooman and IBM and Wadhwani. So when you click on Rooman, in that case you can see the platform what we are having, where you can have the courses mentioned like this, and you see how exactly. So you can get the, here itself you can do the coding and all, whatever you want, any kind of coding and all that you can do over here itself, and it is all AI assisted. So night 2 o'clock you are working and you want to do some coding, and you got stuck somewhere, you will not be able to get the access to your faculty. So it is very simple that you can try doing the things here. 1 minute, I don't know, this is bugging me. I don't know, people are coming, entering, going out, and then it is asking me to admit them. Suppose oh no. Guys, you just see to that whoever is coming, you admit it, because I have to do that. Rakshit Sashank, admit the people who all are coming and waiting in the.
Sir, admitting, sir.
Okay, so if you type anything here and you say, suppose I want to run this particular program, obviously it is not a proper syntax what I have used, and it is giving you the error, right? So now in the night you are doing this program and you just stuck with this error, what you will do? So you can go to your AI tutor, you give a hint, and it says that ensure you use Python 3 syntax for the print function. In Python 3 you need to use parenthesis with the print function. So might be I missed the parenthesis, so I can go here and I can. And now if I run the program, in that case it says no errors. But at the same time, this was the task assigned to you. This is first day's task. Write a Python function, greet username that accepts the user's name as a parameter and return a greeting message. Input this or output. But what I did is I just typed some command and I'm running. Okay, because this is having the environment, it will execute any of the program. But you have not correct, you have not done your assignment. Now if you say submit for evaluation, so it will check, analyzing your submission, it will check either you have written the program correctly or not. You see, again it is giving you the hint that no, you are supposed to use user string formatting or concatenation to construct the greeting message hello name, and then you have to give the. So if you say skip task, maybe it can skip and it will take you to the next step. So that way, for the whole syllabus, you will be finding very much, very hands-on start next task, very hands-on kind of, objective. Again, it is asking write a Python function, calculate age, birth, and all. So that way, different options will be given to you. We will be guiding you what exactly you should do and how exactly you can move forward. Going forward also we are going to give you the kind of, like, suppose here if I go, it will also be asking you the questions. You will be having the handbook here itself. Here itself you can read the material. Once you read the material, it may ask you the question that what will be the following Python code output. So you select whatever you want and then you can go to the next task. So like this, a very beautiful system. What you can find, if it is wrong answer, it will give you why it is wrong, and it is also giving you the points. So same way IBM will be giving you the project, and on those projects You can start working from here. Wadhwani is going to give you the details about the soft skills. So IBM thing, you can find it over here. So from one single login, we are taking you to IBM, we are taking you to Wadhwani, we are taking you to Rooman LMS. So here you see like machine learning, you can go for the grades and you can submit your assignments. You see project development. So there would be problems or the assignments given and you can submit it over here and we evaluate it, and ultimately with that you are going to get your certificate of project completion and all that, right? Coming back also, like when we see, you can also go to Wadhwani Foundation. In this particular LMS, if I go and I click, oh no. So Wadhwani Foundation will be giving you the training on the life skills. At the same time, you can also, so here you can go, again, here we are using the AI tutor. You can ask any questions in any language. You can see here, you can ask my tutor any question you want, you ask, and whichever the language you want, in fact, Kannada is also there, I will get it added. So you can ask the question and the tutor will give you the answer. Okay, so suppose, let me give you one of the example. Okay. I see. What is agentic AI? So if it is, all right. I don't know like why all these people are coming on my this thing, and I need to. Oh, every minute people are leaving, joining, leaving, joining. All right. So suppose if I give this question, um, all right. What is digital? What is digital literacy? What is digital literacy? There's something. Okay, it is asking me to start with. And also, like they will be giving you the. I think there is some concerns. You can also get your interview preparation. So here you can go and you can ask like what kind of job you want to go and appear for the interview, and it will give you the different questions.
Sir, your voice is low.
So, can you describe your experience with coding and programming language? How do you approach uh, problem solving? And you can record your answer over here. I approach the problem solving by going through the different contents, taking help of my senior, and try to find out what exactly is the solution I can give for the problem which is being given to me. Okay, so randomly I have told something. You see, it takes your answer, you can submit it, and it also gives you the response, like, so I have just randomly I told something, right? So persuasiveness, it is to detail nothing I have mentioned, uh, avoid the filler word, so there is no some repetition in the response, so it will also allow you to attend the interviews and all, so that you can correct yourself, right? So now coming back, so what exactly we will be giving you the training and also, if you want, in that case you can go to the you can go to our website for further details if you want to know that what exactly we will give you and all. So go to Rooman.com. Here we are having the first tab itself as internship. So here, if you click on internship, you would be able to get all the details about internship. You want to know about the project, what all projects we are giving, you can find it over here in each domain, what project we are giving. For the details of the project further, you can click and you can see what exactly we give you the project, right? So we will give you internship, we are also giving you the project. So whatever may be the requirement, if you want to have the project also, you can always opt for it. You want to know in detail what we are going to cover in each and every thing, a program, in that case you can click on any particular course, cloud application developer, and here if you click on the course curriculum, you can see what exactly we are going to cover on the different days and all, right? So in any of the program which you want to do, you can go to that particular program and you can click. So here, suppose, not that, okay. So suppose if I talk about application developer, web and mobile, here you can see, as I told you, there are four different tracks: Rooman, IBM, IIT, and Wadhwani. So we will be giving you the IT ignition like knowledge on various topics, because most of the time you fail in the interview because the general topics, the general concepts are not known to you. So here it is Python programming, we are doing for 2 weeks. Prompt engineering we are doing for 1 week. AI coding assistant, how exactly you can use the different AI coding assistant, Linux, networking essentials, database, Java basics, multi-threading, collection. So different topics we cover, and after that IBM is going to give you go on the core subject, whichever the subject you have selected, and in that they will be giving you the project. IIT will be giving you detailed on data structure and algorithm, computer system design and architecture, and Wadhwani is going to give you the details on the soft skills, and also you can go through all these details whatever is required. So yes, I'm done with it. So probably we can have question answer session and how exactly you can take it forward. So maybe just let me go back to my presentation. Yes. So yeah, so apart from that, we will also be, so apart from the projects and all, which we have shown you, that these are the different projects what already students from VTU are doing. We have already trained 18,000 students from the 90 different colleges. And if you have not undergone in the previous semester, or suppose if your college is not participating in this semester, this internship can be done if your college is hosting it, in that case in your college, or else we also have our PMKK centers across the state. So we have it at Bangalore, Kolar, Ramnagar, Davangere, Belgaum, Shimoga, and all that. So you can always join the internship program at any of our Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Kendra PMKK center also. So yeah, so this is what I have shown you about the project. We are having the LMS, which is very robust, and we are having AI assistant, so that It is a personalized learning. Whatever you want at whatever time you want, you can learn. And still, if you are stuck, in that case, definitely you can come back to us. And we also have our faculties who would connect to you and they will guide you. Coming back, yes, so these are the available center locations in Karnataka. So we are having at Bangalore, Rajajinagar, Electronic City, Haveri, Ramnagar, Belgaum, Kolar, Nelmangala, Shimoga, Davangere. So at any of these locations also if you want. So first preference is your college. Your college is hosting. In that case, at each college we are having the target where student can undergo the internship program. But suppose if it is not, if you say that okay fine, my college is not hosting and I am interested, in that case you can also come to any one of our PMKK centers. And to know the detail, you can just again visit our website rooman.com and contact. In that you will find the details of all these centers. So I'm done with my presentation. If you are interested, you can scan this code and you can add your details and all. My team can get in touch with you. And if you have any questions, in that case, you can raise your hand and you can ask the question to me. Or you can also put your questions in chat and I will try to respond to you. Okay, so one question is how do I log into IBM course and work on a project in it? So once you join the program, in that case, you will be given the access for it and you would be able to log into IBM. So once you are the part of this particular program, then only it is possible. When should we start doing this on the platform or these projects for VLSI? VLSI, we are still taking some time because it is a long program, 700 hours, and you may not be able to complete it within this given time frame. So we are starting the internship from Monday. Okay, so you have to take a final call at the earliest. The internship duration is 17th February to 16th of May. So apply immediately. The classes in the college, it would be like you have to sit in the college and faculty will be online. So it is kind of a hybrid mode what we are doing the program. Maybe certain topics, certain things, and even at PMKK centers, we will be having our trainer who will assist you with the lab, but theory will be still conducted by the industry experts. So they will be taking the classes online and you will be present offline. This cannot be given online. You cannot attend this program from your home or at your convenience because someone is sponsoring you for it. Government is sponsoring you for this. So they want your attendance. And for that, you have to visit either your college or our PMKK center. Then only it is possible. Otherwise, we cannot enroll you for. So it cannot be done completely online. It is, you have to be physically present and our trainer would be online. It is fully online internship. No, it's not online. You can also join. Is it MSME certified? This is more than MSME certified. As I told you that we are directly having, as you can go through your VTU circular, in which option A is about this internship. So yes, this is recognized by VTU, this is recognized by NCVT, this is recognized by NSDC, this is recognized by NASCOM. So this is much more than your MSME certified and all. What about if any classes we miss? See, if it is 10%, 20%, in that case, obviously we do have the recording available. But at the same time, we insist you that get skilled. You start going and in the right now you're in final semester, you go and start attending the interviews, you miss these classes. Ultimately, what will happen? See, you have spent so much of time. Another 3 months is not going to make change the world as such. Once you get skilled, in that case, automatically you will start getting the job. So don't rush unnecessarily without having the knowledge, without having your goal, without knowing your destination. 90% of the time, the failure happens because we don't know where we want to go. You guys go and get into the train without knowing what is your destination, because all others are entering, I will also go. So you should be very clear what job you want. It's not that I want the job. What job you want? What do you want to do? Do some research. Anyway, today you are having the your friend like Chat GPT and DeepSeek and all. Why don't you spend one day with that? You they can give you customized answer rather than asking me or to anyone else. You ask them only. Ask the Chat GPT that tell me, I am such and such personality, I am good with math, I scored so much in science, I scored so much in this particular subject, and my I would like to be this. Feed to the you know Chat GPT, and then you ask what could be the right career path for me. Check it, what you want. Just don't go any of the job. Companies come, they are giving me the job. Okay, fine. I accept the offer later. You should ask what job I will be getting. And see, the people are successful when they enjoy the job. They feel like going. Otherwise, if you just, okay, fine, I want a tag because someone will be asking my mom that what job your son or daughter got. So whatever the offer comes, I want to take it. Then you may, afterwards, you will realize that you have done the mistake. Duration of each course, it is 3 months. Can we visit the Rooman centers for more information about the WIINNR program? Yes, you can visit any of the centers. Can I attend the session online? As I told you, it is not online. You have to be present physically. It is as good as internship. Suppose, okay, fine, I am giving you the internship. If any company would have given you the internship, now anyway you don't have classes, right? So you would have gone and attended the internship in the company premises. So now either you go and think the same way you sit at the college premise, or come to our place and you can do that. Sir, I applied for this in last semester, but we didn't have internship last semester. So can I again apply now? You can. When will the AI data batch will be started for Dr. Ambedkar Institute of Technology? It is starting from 17 February. Yes.
Sir,
Classes would be Monday to Friday, and few of the Saturday we will be taking it as optional, which we will be informing you in advance.
sir, how much
How
hours per day, sir?
change the domain? That is, if you have already started and completed, it may not be possible, but if you have not started, we can change. Like we
Sir, how
need
many hours per day, sir?
hands-on experience, so we need to visit companies, right? Yes, we will be doing that also, because see, now we have selected some of the candidate, and at the end of the program we are having a 2 weeks of short internship where we are trying to call the companies, and where they
अरे
will
तू हटाओ इसको ये क्या है यहाँ दबा
and
दो
on a short internship, and after that they will give you the offer later. So we are working on it. So as this was the first batch which is just come out, so definitely we will also be doing, we will see to that at the end of the course you get into the company. Will we get the 5 certificate for VLSI design course? So VLSI design course, leaving IBM, all other certificates will be there. In place of IBM, you will be getting IIT Guwahati certificate. Is this internship is approved by VTU? Very much. You can have the circular, you can go through the circular, or you can ask your professor or the principal. So it is VTU approved only. Sir, like we need to gain skills, so we need to visit companies and get hands-on experience, right? So that is what I have started with. That basically that is what is the purpose of internship. But unfortunately, so many companies are not coming forward that each of you will be getting in the company. Hence, we are giving you the skills. So as you guys have mentioned that one is that visiting the company, the other one is gaining the skills. So visiting the company, if you are getting, you can do that. But if you are not, in that case, at least you gain the skill over here. Okay, we want recorded videos, that is all okay. Timings, it would be full time. It would be kind of 10 to 5 or 9 to 4 if it is in the college. Attendance, we want 100% attendance, no compromise on attendance. All right, so almost it is the same. And anyway, we are having it is like 3 hours pre-lunch session, 1 hour lunch break, and 3 hours post-lunch session. So almost it is a 7 hours program what we will be conducting. It is as good as like your job itself. Moreover, we will also will be inviting the industry experts. And when I say inviting the industry experts, in that case, big achievers of the industry, they may come, they may talk to you, they may guide you. Suppose if I can share my screen and show you something like when I say about the people, in that case, let me share. Maybe I am talking about the guys like, okay. Uh, so people like Sam Apala, who works for Cisco uh, in US, and he is also one of the board of advisors in Rooman. So if you see here that he is the person who has worked for the last 22 years in Cisco, and he has developed many of the protocols, many of the, he is basically a senior director and scientist, and cloud security with endpoint classification, multi-domain orchestrator, chief Cisco identity services engine. So he has developed some 30 to 34 different patents for Cisco. So this kind of people, they will be coming and they will be saying that what exactly they are working on, what project they are working on, what would be the future after 5 years, what they are expecting the technology to be. We don't want to have just our faculty who may come and say, okay, fine, this Java or Python, and 5 years back what is happened. We want a different ecosystem altogether. We are also inviting Srinivas, Mantri Pragada, and there are many such kind of people you will find. So Srinivas, as you can see, he was the CTO, Chief Technology Officer of IBM Cloud. He is the person who has developed the IBM Cloud kind of. You can see here the all the experiences and all. He is the founder of kind of VMware. So when you see founding member, CTO and VP product, so for VMware and all, he is one of the founder. You see here, CTO officer, office and director, advanced technology, VMware. So these kind of people, they will be talking to you. So now he was also having the offer from Google to be the CTO, but he is somehow he's not gone for that, and Now he is more on kind of advisory and mentoring and all that. So I would like to invite these people to guide you. So that's what is the objective, that it's not a regular training what we are going to give you. Rather, we are going to mentor you, because I firmly believe that for today's generation, we don't need teaching. All the information is there. Whatever I am teaching, you also have the access. I will also go and read the same material and teaching. Maybe you have more time than me, you can understand the things better than me. So what is required is mentoring. So that's the reason we are getting all the experts from the industry who will guide you that how exactly you should move ahead on your career. So this internship program would be more kind of a guiding session, mentoring session. Apart from that, we will be also teaching you on the different topics, so that if somewhere something is missing, you should get aligned to. All right, so we are always available, so you can reach us with the numbers what we have mentioned. And yeah, biometric attendance is a must. So based on that only you are going to get your access and all that. So here in the chat we have put the form. So like you can see, forms.office.gov. So this is in the last message in the chat. You can find the form which is you can fill, and you would be able to join the program. So we are starting the program again. I will tell you, we are starting the program on 17th of February. So you have to fill the form immediately, so that our office can get in touch with you. Thank you, and wish you all the best. Anytime, any query, you can always reach to us. We are always available for you. Thanks a lot, and wish you a very, very great career ahead.